Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Teamwork projects to Google Drive, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Go to the Teamwork projects website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the project you want to connect to Google Drive. In the project menu, find the Integrations option on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Integrations to open the Integrations page. Look for the Google Drive option in the list of available integrations. Click on Google Drive to start the linking process. You will be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and grant the necessary permissions. Once connected, you will be redirected back to Teamwork projects. You will now see your Google Drive files available within your project. To attach a Google Drive file, click on the Add Task or Add File button in your project. Select that Attach from Google Drive option. A new window will open, showing your Google Drive files. Browse through your files and select the one you want to attach. Click on the Select button to add it to your project. Your Google Drive file will now appear in your Teamwork projects. You can repeat this process to attach additional files as needed. To manage your Google Drive connection, return to the Integrations page anytime. Here, you can disconnect Google Drive if you choose. Now you are set to seamlessly integrate Google Drive with Teamwork projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.